Hello, my dear guest. Sometimes you will get a string that you need to format to make it more readable for the user. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's say that you get from the backend a string that is like "have a nice day," but it's with underscores. So you cannot show this to the user. What you can do is to replace these underscores with the white spaces. So you can say cons formatted equals to x, and then there is a special keyword, replace all. And here we want to replace all underscores with empty spaces. And now if we console log our formatted text, it will be "have a nice day" without spaces. Also, just to know, this replace all function, it doesn't change the original string. So formatted for us is without underscores, and our x is still with underscore. This is just to keep in mind. And that's it. And remember to take care of your mental health. Have a great day. Bye.